once again to an unboxing. Haven't had an unboxing now since I opened the Ullen yarn recently, but I have a very exciting yarn today. I have been waiting for, I'd say nearly 3.5 years for this yarn. It's a bit of a long story, but I first met Maya from the Wool Barn at Fibre East long before I was going to open the shop, and I fell completely in love with her yarn, and I have been bothering her ever since to find out when she's going to do wholesale, and so I'm very excited that she is now wholesaling her beautiful yarns, and I have some, so I'm very excited. These yarns are going to Perth with me on Friday, so I'm going to have them in Perth first, and then they'll be on the website when I get back. As always though, if you see anything in this, let me know. I can ship it out to you even before it goes on the website. So let's start. I'm very excited. These are just such, again, like most of the yarns in the shop, these are very obviously somebody's yarn. Like this is definitely Maya's yarn, so it's so beautiful. So my first little order, I'm very, very excited. It's one of the only yarns that I'm going to start with where I actually have a sample ready to go, because I have this yarn that I bought myself at Fibre East last year. So I'm just finishing a sample of it. So I had some, I could have had every colour in Maya's catalogue. Oh, that was very good. So let me just, don't worry, I reuse a lot of the plastic I get from my suppliers, either to keep the wool or to wrap things that are going out. Particularly if you get bubble wrap from me, it's very unlikely that it has been bought, it's been reused. Oh my goodness me. So the first, these are all a cashmere merino nylon base, and Maya has the most beautiful MCN base that I have seen. So the first up is Frost. So this is a beautiful pale blue colour. So this is Frost. I'm nearly afraid. And I have a lovely box, a plastic box waiting for them. They'll also be bagged so that they're all really well cared for. So that's Frost. So I've gone for really beautiful pastels because I don't have beautiful delicate semi-solids in the shop at the moment. So these are my pride and joy of these. Then next up is Ballet Slippers, a colour which I just think is so extraordinarily beautiful. I'm sorry about the light, it's a bit on and off here this morning. So that is Ballet Slippers, and it's the most perfectly like Ballet Slippers colour that you could possibly see. So I have loads of that beautiful colour. I've tried to buy them so that they kind of coordinate as well, so that if you feel like making beautiful stripy sweaters or gorgeous kind of mix and match accessories, I have loads of beautiful colours. Then there is Duck Egg, which is just, I'm going to have to stop saying it is just, but look at that beautiful kind of pale blue, green, tealy, beautiful duck egg colour. Now it is a little bit more green than it's showing up on the camera there, but cameras and yarn, we all know. So that is lovely Duck Egg. Next up, I think this is it is charcoal. So look at this beautiful charcoal coloured yarn, which is just beautiful. And this is an extra fine merino, which makes it really, really soft. There's 350 meters per 100 grams, rather than the kind of 400 you would see. So that's kind of got extra twist in it as well. It's just so perfect. So that is so soft. That is the charcoal. Then I got some more kind of greys as well. Couldn't resist the grey. So this is Everyday Grey. Oh my goodness, I nearly brought out another colour there. So this is Everyday Grey. It's got a slightly more purple, I want to say it's that steel colour that's almost purple but isn't. So that's beautiful grey. Everyday Grey. Oh, I'm actually delighted with the colours I chose, because sometimes I'm like, oh, did I pick the right colour? So this is Mid Grey. You're probably wondering why so many greys, but I think that they just contrast so well with the beautiful soft peaches and pastels that Maya does. So that is Mid Grey. And then in contrast to that, I have this most beautiful blue yarn. This is Surf. So you can see that that's a beautiful match for Duck Egg, which would be beautiful with it. So that is Surf, which is very beautiful. And I'm about to take out my favourite colour, and this colour I have a sample in. This is Toffee. Look at that colour. You can see why I love it. Like, I think if you've seen any of my unboxings, you probably know that if it's a goldy brown or a rust and a silvery grey, then I don't know. I think they need to be a sweater for me. And then I have another brown, which is the walnut, which is just another beautiful muted brown shade, which is just absolutely stunning. And I think it's a beautiful match for the next colour I'm about to bring out, which is pink sand. So you can just see that they would make the most beautiful accessories or pattern sets together. Oh my goodness. And then moving on from that, I also have this beautiful peach colour, which is vintage peach. So you can kind of see that I probably cheated a little bit and bought them so that they would all coordinate in the most beautiful way to tempt everybody. Like I said though, and again, this is the pink sand. It's just, this box is just stunning. And you can see that I don't have anything else in the shop like these at the moment, which is one of the reasons it's so amazing to have this yarn from Maya, because it's beautiful. And it's so different, and like I say, something signature that somebody, you know, that where you see it and you know it's somebody's yarn is so important. And this is Bella Park, which is beautiful. And oh well, isn't that just beautiful? Yes, so I have these to tempt everybody. I make there's no shyness about that. And that's it. So I have 12 beautiful colours from Maya's collection. It won't be long before I try to have all of the colours, but as you know, can't have everything. Where would you put it? Well, actually I would put it onto lovely plastic boxes and then hopefully send it to your homes. Just to remind you of some of the beautiful possible combinations. This walnut. Oh, don't you just want those together? I know I want them together. Oh my goodness, they're like mint chocolate ice cream. Right, and that's it. I'm so excited to have those. They're really beautiful. They'll be on the website for Monday and they'll be with me, well, it might be Tuesday. No, I'm trying not to overcommit to anything because obviously I'm going to Perth on Friday. But they will be with me at Perth in very limited quantities because you've just seen exactly how much I have. But if you do want anything before then, just drop me a private message on Facebook or email me or anything you want and let me know if you fancy any of those colours. I haven't decided on a price yet. I must think through it because I think these are just, they definitely warrant being in. They're just beautiful. Anyway, that's me. I better go because I need to put these into lovely plastic bags. Ready to go to Perth. Anyway, lovely to see everybody out for an unboxing, and hopefully there will be more unboxing towards the end of the month. Take care, lovelies. See you soon.